So every day I was stepping on the scale, I always had the camera on me and it made me heavier than what I actually am. So I guess they're not lying when they said the camera adds like 3 pounds. It's about 7:14 right now. You guys know the deal. I'm gonna have coffee, I'm gonna go for a jog. Then I'm gonna come back and do some jump ropes just to get my cardio. Because yesterday I didn't do anything, but I've been super busy this week. Got 2 videos to do. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, let's do this. So I just finished my jog. Come here, do some jump ropes. You guys know the deal. Put you guys over here. Okay, so just finished that. That was super fun. I think I got better. Alright, so before I start doing this, Mighty Macros actually hit me up for a hit Spotify playlist so they can share it. But I'm one of those people that listen to one song on repeat, so I don't really have one. But if you guys have some good songs that you guys can recommend, put them down below and I'll check them out. Much love, guys. See ya. Okay, so for this workout, we're gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna do a superset, so in between these, I'm gonna do some dumbbell lateral raises. Y'all, quick body assessment. Week 4 looking decent. Like I said, last week was carb heavy, so I'm a little extra here, but I'm making breakfast. I'm not having banana. Ooh, this looks like tortilla. That's a tortilla. This is an egg. But yeah, that's my breakfast. And then I'm gonna take a shower and start my day. All right, catch you guys later. What is going on, guys? It is about 2:30. I've been doing work. It's a mess in my house right now. I got a hamburger. I'm not gonna eat all of it, but I think the meals for Mighty Macros are late. So usually they get here before lunchtime, but we'll just have to wait and play by ear. Hopefully I'll have something by dinner. Cool, I'll see you guys, bye. What is going on, guys? Basically worked the whole day. It is like 8:11 when I skipped dinner. I haven't got my food yet from Mighty Macros. Not a big deal, but I'm probably gonna grab something to eat just so I can come back and work. I'm gonna be up late, super late. It's gonna mess up my work schedule. I'll try to see if I can even get up early enough to do a workout. But you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.
We head for the sky, it's alright.
What's going on, guys? It's not your typical day. I skipped Thursday, Friday, super busy. If you guys saw my other videos, I've been working with Epic 7, but it is around 7 p.m. Just checking out because I've been up all night. So I'm gonna do a workout right now, so let's go do that. All right, let's do a quick back workout.
And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright.
Alright guys, so we just finished the workout. It's a weird vlog because I've been busy, but I just did 2 workouts, so it's gonna be, what, Wednesday, skip Thursday, Friday, and today's Saturday. So I'm gonna get this up tonight. You guys probably see it tomorrow. But I didn't get my meals from Mighty Macros, so I didn't eat super healthy. But I'm gonna sub brown rice and rotisserie chicken until I get my meals next time. But with that being said, much love. Hope you guys are staying safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.